Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone of us in a good condition. So today we will discuss about metabolism and enzyme. So in this video, I will discuss about the type of metabolism, and the second one is about the naming of enzyme. So I will use a bilingual in this video. Thank you. For subtopic 5.1, we will discuss about what is metabolism, or in Malay we call it as a metabolism. So what is metabolism? So metabolism is that all chemical reaction in the living things, and this metabolism involves two process. The first one is the conversions of food, means what we eat, what we take. Let's say nasi lemak or fried bihun, which is it will turn or convert into the energy. And this energy will store in the form of ATP. And for second one is the formations of a cell composition, which is such as carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and nucleic acid, as we learned in the previous topic. Next, we will discuss about the type of metabolism in a cell. So there are two types of metabolism. The first one is catabolism, and the second one is anabolism. So we discuss about the catabolism first. Catabolism is a process which involve the breakdowns of complex molecule into simple molecule. Means from large molecule into small molecule, and you must remember it will release energy. So as an example is the cellular respiration. And the second one is anabolism. Anabolism will involve the synthesizing complex molecule from simple molecules. Means from small molecules to form large molecule. So it will use anabolism. This process will use or absorb energy. For example, formation glucose during photosynthesis. For the tips to remember this is catabolism, C. The alphabet C means to cut. Cut from large into small molecule. Right? And for anabolism, how to memorize that is which A, the alphabet A for anabolism means adding, add. Which is we add the small molecule or two types of molecule, and it will form large molecules.
What is enzyme? Have you seen this product?
One example for the usage of enzyme is the Alkanivarate Borkumensis bacteria, which is this bacteria will produce hydroxylase enzyme to break down an oil spill on the surface of water, and it will change it into a non-toxic substance. Subtopic 5.2, we will discuss about what is enzyme. So, all enzymes are protein, but not all proteins are enzyme. Enzymes are catalysts. What does it mean by the catalyst? Catalysts are molecules that speed up or increase the rate of the reaction. Biochemical reaction is a transformation from one molecule to different molecule inside a cell. The process of biochemical reaction will occur at high rate to protect all the living process. Such example is the photosynthesis and cellular respiration. The enzyme have an active site where substrate can bind. Substrate is a substance that needed for the enzyme reaction. Meanwhile, the active site is the specific site, which is you can see inside the diagram. The specific site is according to the shape of substrate itself, and it will bind with the enzyme to form enzyme substrate complex. After the reaction, the product will form, which is you can see the color of yellow and green one, but the shape of enzyme will remain the same. The naming of enzyme is given according to the name of the substrate it catalyzes. For example, you may refer to the tables For the substrate lactose, the enzyme is called lactase. For the sucrose, the enzyme name is sucrase. For the lipid, the enzyme name is lipase. So the enzyme is given by adding the suffix ase, A-S-E, at the end of the name for their substrate. But however, there are several or a few enzymes that do not follow this naming system, which were discovered before the systematic naming system. As example, trypsin, pepsin, and rennin. In this diagram, we can see the functions of enzyme, which is it will help the sucrose to break down into glucose and fructose. The sucrose is the substrate, the enzyme is sucrase, and the new product that will form is glucose and fructose. From here, you can understand that the enzyme sucrase will break down the structure of the sucrose to form a new product, which is glucose and fructose. Means it will break down from or convert from the disaccharide to form monosaccharides.